So here's the current dilemma with this machine. This bag door, which they only use on a few of these Craftsman mowers, they didn't use them all that long. This is actually a Husqvarna made lawnmower. Husqvarna's use this too. But guess what? I've looked everywhere. It's either on back order or it's on order, and the vendor that I'm trying to purchase it from has not received it yet. I want to get this lawnmower out the door. I've even got a brand new bag for it. And aside from that, this part, if I can find it, is going to cost anywhere from $40 to $50. Actually 50, a little bit more than that after shipping. I can't even get it on Amazon. I have to get it from an actual parts supplier. So I might as well, since this one's still good and it's the same exact door, I'll pull it off of my good lawnmower, purchase that $50 part for my own usage, and throw this part onto this machine. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to have to do is pull out these two clips here. There's one here and then there's one on the other side, and then we'll be able to pull everything out and apart, hopefully. Even though I'm not using a brand new part for this video, you guys will see how it is to change out one of these bag doors. So just for the record, I even looked at this other Husqvarna manufactured mower for Craftsman, even with this different bag door. Looked to see if it would work, and it won't. Just for posterity. But anyways, so I already pulled off the two broken pieces off the other machine, and given that this is really old plastic, I'm gonna have to be really careful with it to not break anything. But we'll just remove these clips just like this. So upon looking at these two studs, they take a T45 Torx bit and they're just threaded in there, so hopefully we don't break anything. But let's see, screwing it right out. Just like that, I guess. So on this side, it came right out, no problem. Stupid simple. Let's put it on the other machine. So here's the two pieces that I removed. The studs are actually still on here, so I'm gonna have to pull those off. No big deal. Put the other ones back out there with that machine, but let's put the bag door on this machine. All right, studs out. Just kind of leave that how it is. You'll notice that these springs only go on one way. Right is right, left is left. So you can't interchange both the springs incorrectly. But they just go on like this. Slide it on. I left that stud in. This one I've only pulled out to allow for the installation. Just like so. Just to screw it all back in, then adjust the spring. Go. So I'm just going to put the clips back on. There we go. Perfect. So we'll get this back outside, and just for the video, put the bag on it and start it up and finish her up. Here it is. Brand new outer bag. Just gotta give it a quick cleaning. Overall, it's in pretty good condition. Wish I had a better cover for it. Maybe I do in the Horde. I'll have to look. So I just washed it off, found a better cover off of one of the engines I have in the Horde. It's in really good condition. Believe it or not, if something like that cover looks old and shabby, for some reason it really affects the value of a lawnmower. Anyways, let's start it up and finish off this video. Love those things. Stay tuned for more videos.